Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to clear Facebook Marketplace messages. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. You can't delete Marketplace messages directly from the Facebook app, so you'll need to use Messenger for this. When you open Messenger, you'll see all your chats on the home screen. To delete a Marketplace message, tap the hamburger menu in the top left corner. From the menu, select the green Marketplace icon. This will show you all your conversations related to Facebook Marketplace. Scroll through the messages until you find the one you want to delete. For example, if you have a message about an iPhone XS Max, just swipe left on the message or tap and hold. After a window will pop up. Now you'll see a few options like Delete, Mute, and Mark as Read. Tap the red Delete button. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete this message. Tap Delete again, and the message will be removed from your Facebook Marketplace conversations. Now, to confirm that the message has also been deleted from the Facebook app, open the Facebook app on your phone. Go to the Marketplace by tapping the Marketplace icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Inbox and scroll through your messages. You'll notice that the message, such as the one for the iPhone XS Max, is no longer there. It has been successfully deleted from both Messenger and Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.